Hey everyone, this is just a quick screencast tutorial to give you an explanation for how to complete today's asynchronous assignment. What you're going to do is open up the Unit 2 folder, which is Intro to Chemistry, and then open up Module 1, States of Matter. Scroll down to 2.1, Assignment 5, States of Matter, Reading and Questions. So you want to open that up, and this takes you to an external application called CK-12. And CK-12 is really similar to Edpuzzle, where it's something external, but it's an application that can be completed within Schoology. So once you click on the assignment, it's going to take you right to CK-12 and the specific assignment that you're doing today. What I would recommend doing is opening it up and making it a big screen, so this way it takes up the whole page and it's much easier to read. Then you should see 2.5 States of Matter. So you're going to scroll down and read through, and as you're reading through, there's a marker. You can highlight things, you can make little notes to yourself, and keep going through it. And it explains the states of matter, it gives you characteristics for each of the 3 states and their properties, and talks about the uniqueness of mercury. And there are some cool videos that you'll need to watch as well. And once you get through it all, at the very bottom right-hand corner, you're going to see something that says Continue Practice. These are questions that you'll need to answer in order to submit your assignment. So I already started this just because I wanted to see what it looked like. So you'll click Practice, you'll open that up, and then start practicing. And the way it's going to work is you'll be asked a series of questions, and you'll select the answer, and then you say check it. So solids have a definite yes, and it'll tell you if you're right or wrong, and to keep going. What you'll need to do is keep answering until you get to 10 correct answers, and I believe it will stop you once you get to 10. So when you're all done, getting 10, you can say stop for now. And then the last thing you'll want to do is click, when you've gotten all 10 correct, you'll want to click Turn In. Right? And once you click that Turn In, then you will get full credit for the assignment. All right, so read the page, get 10 questions answered correctly, and then make sure to turn it in, and you're done. All right, thanks for listening, and reach out if you have any questions.